Listen to the lecture and answer the questions.
For the 2018 Winter Games in Pyeongchang, South Korea, Ralph Lauren created jackets with the built-in battery packs that allowed the athletes to switch on a heating system when they got cold. However, this time, Lauren wanted to create a clothing that regulated heat on its own. 4 years ago, he discovered a small textile innovation company called Skyscraper. It had developed a technology called intelligent insulation. The U.S. Department of Energy initially provided funding for the startup, enabling it to develop its own production methods and machinery. Skyscraper's fabric is made up of 2 separate exclusive materials that expand and reduce in response to changes in temperature. When it grows colder, the lengths of the 2 materials decrease at different rates, forming an air pocket that provides insulation. In other words, the jacket becomes a puffer when it gets cold and then goes back to being a regular shell when it is warm. This is the first time a well-known brand has designed the fabric.
It was one of the most forward-thinking technologies we'd seen, and we thought it could alter the way we make products. By putting it on a global stage, at the Olympics, we hope it inspires the rest of the industry. I believe this new technology will allow our brand to be more sustainable with its outerwear. If jackets are able to adapt to a range of temperatures, it could mean that consumers would not need to own as many different jackets for varying temperatures.
However, Skyscraper had not yet brought it to market. To that end, the entire Winter Olympics uniform is made from recycled polyester. In addition, all of the items are manufactured in the United States. Ralph Lauren designed these outfits in the midst of the pandemic, which was a challenge since everything had to be done virtually.
Ultimately, this helped our company create a much more streamlined design approach. Rather than using sketches, such as CAD, computer-aided design, everything was designed on the computer. We created a computer illustration that allowed us to see what 300 athletes would look like in these outfits walking through the opening ceremony with flashbulbs going off, so you could see the light shine off the jacket. When the Olympic Committee wanted to see a garment in a different color, we could change it in real time for them.